everyone. Have you ever wondered how computers talk to each other? Like when you send a message or watch a video online? Well, there is a cool thing called the OSI model which makes this communication possible. So think of it like a set of rules that all computers follow to make sure they understand each other. So it's a bit like how we use a common language to communicate with friends from different places. So in the same way, the OSI model has different layers, kind of like a cake, each with a special job to make sure your pictures, your messages, and videos get to where they need to go on the internet. So, with this, I would like to personally welcome you to my training. The OSI model is the first training in my entire training series, which sets the tone for my other trainings, which you may want to join. And you are watching the course orientation video, which is the first video that you should be ideally starting with before you take my other courses. So, my name is Dhananjay Naldurgkar. You can call me DJ. And I want to first appreciate and thank you for trusting in me and making that investment and coming in on board. And this is going to be an adventure, meaning it's not going to be a journey from point A to point B, but it's going to be an adventure going from scratch, in your case, to making a stable career in IT. So if you are from IT background or you have done some IT courses, then you must have studied the OSI model somewhere during your university curriculum. But I'm sure that your concepts still need to be demystified when it comes to the actual data transfer. So my case is not different either, because I also come from the same background that you came from. So please note that you are going through my 3.0 course series, meaning it's the third version of my courses since 2003. So when I started my journey in the training domain, you cannot imagine the effort that I put into these courses, and I'm sure you'll realize it while you complete them in sequence. So let me tell you, it usually happens to my students that they know certain aspects of the course or have completed the course somewhere else, and they skip some lessons because of the simple reason. But I want to emphasize that even if you have completed some training in the past, you will always see something new while you revise your concepts in my training. So specialty of 3.0 courses is that unlike my earlier versions, I have now converted all the practical aspects on how to validate those skills by taking a practical approach. While you go through each video in this course series, you will always get to know the aspect that you missed to study in your previous trainings. So if you visit my courses, you would realize that around 15,000 plus students have already enrolled, and around 1,000 plus students have already made it to the finish line and experienced this journey. So if you see the testimony of my students, you'll get to know how easy it is to follow the system I laid during my trainings. So when you start strong, when you start with the right intentions, to that extent, you are going to grow in your career. So intent is everything. And the energy with which you accomplish my courses is everything. But I have a concern. The concern is that you have made an investment in my course, you have got started, but I'm not sure if you can complete every single thing that I have given you through my courses. So I'm not sure if you will finish all my courses, and I want you to make a commitment, because a lot of people buy stuff, they come into courses like this, but they don't really take it seriously. You know, because of whatever reasons, life takes over, the price point is less, I don't have time, I don't have money, or I do not have resources, my health is not good, my support system is not good, whatever may be the case you have, the only way you can get the best value out of my courses is if you can take it to the finish line. So before even I begin on this course, I want to first throw a challenge at you. Are you ready to do this? Are you willing to take it to the finish line? Not going to skip even a single video of mine? You can imagine going back to the school and you are taking notes, going through this journey as if you are back to the school, or as though you are really investing into something, your time and energy to build something really great. So with that being said, I want to welcome you again. So today we are going to explore the OSI layers, understand what they do and how they help us all stay connected in this digital world. So let's dive in and uncover the secrets of how our devices really talk to each other. Thank you.